Hello grade 10 and welcome to another episode of our discussion about finding the nth term of geometric sequence. Okay, again, we will be using this formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. Okay, let us take this example. So, find the 10th term, okay, of this geometric sequence, 4, 2, 1, 1/2, and so on and so forth. Okay. So again, we're going to find the 10th term. So meaning, we will find a sub 10 or yung pang-sampung term. Okay. Now, so we're going to find this, a sub 10. So since we have here 10th term, so our n, in other words, is 10. Which is the number of terms. Okay? Next, we need a sub 1. So in our example, our first term, that's a sub 1, is 4. Therefore, we have here a sub 1 is equal to 4. Right? And then, we also need the common ratio, r. Okay? So, let us get the common ratio here. The previous term or the next term, okay, divided by the previous term. So we'll have 2 divided by 4, right? So what do you observe in our common ratio? If we will divide 2 by 4, it's not divisible, right? Actually, yung numerator natin is smaller than the denominator. So what does it mean? The common ratio is a fraction. And if the common ratio is a fraction, so what will you do is to reduce it to its lowest term. Okay? So what is the lowest term of 2/4? That is equal to 1/2. So paano nakuha yung 1/2? We just divide both numerator and denominator by the GCF. And the GCF is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Alright? Okay? You can verify this common ratio by dividing any 2 or other successive terms in our given geometric sequence. Suppose we have this one. So 1 divided by 2 or 1 over 2 is still its 1/2, right? And then we have here 1/2 over 1 or 1/2 divided by 1 is still 1/2. So therefore, our common ratio is correct, which is 1/2. Okay, so we're ready now for the formula. So all we need to do is to replace these values in our given formula. So we'll have a sub 10, alright? A sub 1 is equal to a sub 1, our first term. So we have here 4, right? Okay, times r, which is 1/2. Okay? And since our r is a fraction and we will raise it, okay, to the exponent n minus 1, so you have to enclose it with parentheses. Okay? Bakit? So, kasi pag hindi natin siya in-enclose sa parentheses and ni-raise natin siya sa n minus 1, parang ang in-erase lang natin sa n minus 1 ay yung 1. So, the parentheses is used to denote that the whole fraction 1/2 is being raised to the exponent n minus 1. Okay, that is 10 minus 1. Okay, so we'll have now 4. Okay, actually kahit hindi na natin ilagay yung dot, okay, gumamit na lang tayo ng parenthesis, pwede naman. Actually, dot and parenthesis both denote multiplication. Okay, so 4 times, okay, 1 over 2 or 1/2 raised to 10 minus 1. So we subtract it first and that is raised to 9. Alright? And then we will simplify first this. Alright? Remember, you will not multiply 4 by 1/2. So by order of operation, unahin muna yung may mga exponent. You have to evaluate first those expressions having exponent. So therefore, we will have, copy this 4, so 4 times, okay, if we will evaluate 1/2 raised to 9, so meaning, yung numerator na 1, i-raise natin sa 9. So, you will multiply 1 9 times by itself. That is equal to what? 1. Tama ba? So, pag minultiply mo yung 1 9 times by itself, ang sagot lang din ay 1. Okay? Over, how about yung 2 raised to 9? Okay? So, 2 raised to 9. So, you will multiply 2 by itself 9 times. Okay? So, you can use calculator. Okay? So, 2 raised to 9 or 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 9 times. So, the answer is 512. Alright? Okay. So, that is 1/2 raised to 9. That is 1 over 512. Now, what are we going to do next? So, as you will observe in our given here, we can simplify yung 4 at 512. Pwede tayong mag-cancel out kasi may common factor. So, bakit pwedeng i-cancel out? Kasi yung 4 ay numerator, okay, at ito ay 512 is the denominator. So, we can cancel out their common factor. And as you will observe, ang common factor nila is 4. Ibig sabihin, the GCF is 4. Yung 512 kasi ay divisible by 4. So, therefore, cancel na si 4. Okay? Magiging 1 na lang yan. Okay? Divide natin si 512 by 4. Ang magiging sagot ay 128. Tama ba? Pwede nyo i-check yan. Okay? So, what remains? So, we have your 1 times 1. The answer is 1 over 128. And this will be our 10th term. Okay? So, yan ang 10th term or a sub 10 nung ating given geometric sequence 4, 2, 1, 1/2, and so on and so forth. Okay? So, thank you for watching.